Hey there, what's up everyone? This is Vedant and you're watching The Modern Architect. Today, we finally set off the Lumion tutorial series that has been requested by many of you. Now, before we jump in and take a look at Lumion in detail, I'd like to go over a few things that I feel you should know. The most important thing worth noting is that Lumion is a real-time rendering software. What does that mean? What it means is that here I am inside Lumion and I have opened one of the example scenes that comes with the software. And the first thing you notice right away is that the building or the built form is the center of Lumion. You can see some trees around the back, some people here and there, even the waves on the beach, and everything is being rendered in real time by Lumion. How good it looks on screen will depend on the kind of PC you have. The beefier, the better. Another thing to keep in mind is that Lumion is not a 3D modeling software, meaning you cannot create 3D objects inside it. What you can create, however, is scenes using the models you make in 3D applications like SketchUp, Revit, or 3ds Max. So a working knowledge of any such application is required to use Lumion because that's where you'll be importing your models from. Also, let's take a look at this scene which we have here. If I turn off the building using this layer button on top right corner, you can see straight away that the scene loses its dynamic value. What it means naturally in Lumion is that your 3D model is the center of attention, and everything else like the landscaping and other 3D objects are used to give definition to the scene and make it come alive. Although Lumion is a real-time render engine and does a pretty good job by itself, you can still create even more photorealistic renders like this using the image tab. Now, you don't have to worry about anything which I'm doing here in this video, as I'll be going over each and everything in much more detail in the tutorial. Speaking of the tutorial, this is going to be a very basic or entry-level introduction to Lumion, good for someone who's just getting started. But if you do have prior knowledge or interaction with it, you too can have a look, maybe brush up on what you know and pick up a few new things. For this particular tutorial series, I'm planning to do 10 videos covering all the basics of Lumion to help you get up to speed. Although I won't be covering anything super advanced here, that will follow after this. So with that being said, if you are interested in diving into Lumion, I suggest you subscribe and turn on the notifications to catch the tutorials as soon as they go live. Please like this video and leave a comment as it helps me a lot and makes you awesome for doing it. It has been nice, see you next time, and I welcome you to learn Lumion in 10 videos.